Hello, my name is Neha Verma. I'm a marketing director here at Carillon ERP, and I'm going to give you a short demo of our latest streamlined module. Carillon proudly announces its new integration with KwikTag by ImageTag. Carillon ERP has always been the software that you trusted with paperless reporting and analytic features. Now, along with KwikTag, a complete document and business process management solution, Carillon ERP will also reduce paper for invoicing, HR, and shipping. This new integration allows Carillon customers to simplify their lives by storing and cataloging any and all data. Any loose paper documents can be scanned and saved into Carillon and accessed from anywhere. Digital items like Word documents, PDF files, and emails that we often get in day-to-day business can easily be added to the system via drag and drop or email. Just think about the storage rooms full of invoices that you can now eliminate. The beauty of this integration is that any document can be attached to data, locations, or contracts within the ERP system once that document has been uploaded. Our developers have put hard work into the integration with KwikTag being seamless, so this new feature is as intuitive, as simplistic, and as quick as Carillon is. These are just a few examples of the types of documents you can digitize and connect to data within Carillon. You can add these documents into the system in 3 distinct ways: drag and drop, email, and scan. In this demo, I will show you how to scan, process, and search a resume that you would enter into Carillon's contact maintenance window. There are 3 easy steps to entering this document into Carillon permanently. All we really added to your usual process is scanning the document in. You enter the information into Carillon as usual. What this integration is saving you is the time that it takes to file that document initially, the space it takes to retain the document, and basically it eliminates the time involved with retrieving the document. So the first step is to take the next KwikTag barcode off the dispenser and put it on the resume. The dispenser does come with the KwikTag system. One of the neatest things about this software is how smart it is. It doesn't matter where that barcode is on the resume. You can have it sideways or upside down off on a corner. As long as there's white space there, as long as it doesn't cover up anything important to you, KwikTag will read that barcode information and automatically enter it into its system. So you don't need any type of consistency on where that barcode is or how that resume looks. Next, you need to scan the document in. Any commercial scanner can be used to do this, even ones that are part of a multi-use office machine like a fax, scan, and phone combo. Once you scan that document in, it will automatically go to a specific drawer. In KwikTag, drawers are called folders, or folders are called drawers. And I will explain why that is in just a moment here. The demo company that I have is called Texas Recyclers Demolition, and in this company, our scanner is set up to send scanned documents to unprocessed payables. Here at Carillon, our setup is to send scanned documents automatically to a general payables drawer. Which drawer that scanner auto sends the scanned documents to can be adjusted through the presets on your scanner, and the drawer names and the setup can be formatted to fit individual client needs. You can scan and view the documents in KwikTag from any location that has internet access, and those documents can be accessed as soon as they have been scanned. Let me guide you through the visual of the KwikTag interface that we're looking at. Off on the right side, you can see the actual document that we've scanned in. Here's the barcode. As you can see, it's not in line in any way, but KwikTag is definitely still smart enough to read that code off of it. If you click the document and look at the metadata that's already populated, you can see that the tag number has already been picked up, and it also adds other metadata. In the middle here, you can see all of the documents that have been scanned into this folder. These documents have been connected to Carillon data, which is why there's metadata next to it. The document we just scanned in has no metadata, so it's blank. But once we've entered that into Carillon, Carillon will go into KwikTag and update this information. Off to the left side, you can see all of the drawers that we have available. And in this company's case, they have unprocessed folders and they have processed folders. Here at Carillon, we just have general folders. It just depends on the company. So the reason that KwikTag calls these drawers is because there are no subdrawers available, much like a file cabinet in your office. There's no hierarchy. There are no quote-unquote subfolders possible. Security for KwikTag is done on a user level. Only specific people can access specific drawers. Another great part of the KwikTag configuration is that you can scan these documents in from any location, even without access to KwikTag or a license for KwikTag at those scanning locations. Let's say you have satellite stores in multiple cities or multiple states that receive job applications. Your HR department can go into KwikTag at the end of the day and process all of these resumes and documents from different sites, just like they would a stack of applicants on their desk. Except in this situation, they'd get there much faster, be much more dependable, and with a key piece of information already filled out, the KwikTag number. We are going to take a moment here to copy that KwikTag number because we will need it for the next step. The next step in this process is that your HR clerk, wherever that person is, will pull up KwikTag, look at all of the documents that they have available and need to process, pull up the one that they'd like to process first, and open it up. They will then use this document, just like they would a paper resume, to enter this information directly into Carillon. So now I am in Carillon, and I've pulled up Contact Maintenance because I'm about to enter this new applicant in. So I have Jolly Holly's information entered into the system, just like I would otherwise. What you'll notice is we've added this image tab on the back. And initially it gives you one option for an image, but you are welcome to add as many images as you'd like to any given information in Carillon. So we're going to go ahead and paste that information we picked up off of KwikTag, which is the KwikTag ID number. We're going to go ahead and tell it what type of document it is, and there are plenty of options here. It defaults the date created, and once we've saved this information into Carillon, we can hit this launch button to see that specific document within Carillon. It'll open up a separate browser screen and access KwikTag so that you can look at that specific resume. So we're going to go ahead and save this information. And it's just that simple. So now Carillon in the background, once you save that data, will go and update the data in the background for KwikTag. So now we've permanently linked that resume to that contact. And you'll be able to search that contact from both Carillon and from KwikTag. Now if we wanted to search that contact within Carillon, we could go to Contact ID, and if I remember Jolly's last name, I can pull her up, and using the Images Back tab and this Launch button, it will open up a browser screen, and take me directly to that document within KwikTag. Now, if I wanted to search for that data within KwikTag, I would first click on the search up here, and then I could type in any metadata that we had entered into Carillon to look for that person. So we would pull up all of the documents related to that search term. There's that resume that we scanned in. And if this person has other documents that are also related to them, those would also pull up. And if you know that person's ID number, you can search that number directly and see that specific document. So the process is really just that simple. You can jump back and forth between Carillon and KwikTag. You can look up documents in KwikTag using the applicant's name or contact ID, just like you would in Carillon. What you do with that paperwork after you've digitized it is completely up to you, but you'd not need to have it in your hands to be able to see that information. It's very valuable integration if you think about all of the space and time you can save. We've just demonstrated one window, but from a macro view, this integration will help clients who receive important documents in multiple locations see payables, HR, and shipping in real time on an organization level instead of a location-to-location level. If you look at space, time, and money saved, it builds a strong case for solid return on investment. So please contact Mary Castile, one of our senior managers here at Carillon, for pricing and technical specs on KwikTag. Her contact information is listed at the bottom of this slide and in the description of this video. We hope that you've enjoyed this demo. Please follow our company page on LinkedIn or Twitter, handle @CarillonERP, to stay updated on our new features and cooperations. Please keep an eye out for future videos from Carillon ERP.